What is this?
That is an external device, also known as a USB thumb drive, flash drive, portable hard drive, or a zip drive. An external device is anything that plugs into a computer. They are typically used for storing files. However, they can potentially be used to add viruses and malware onto a device to put your information at risk. If you find one you are pretty sure is not yours, don't use it and never plug it in. Turn it into your campus TSS or department secretary, but do not try to find out who it belongs to.
Should I be using them at work?
Instead of using an external device, Northside offers unlimited storage with Google Drive. You can even access your Microsoft files with Drive File Stream. There really isn't a need for an external device when you have Google Drive. It's easier than you might think to put your external device at risk. Another advantage of unlimited storage is that data is always available versus an external device that could be lost, like the one you just found, or experience data corruption or hardware failure. To give you an idea, someone could put a virus on your external device if you left it unattended. Also, be cautious of purchasing cheap devices online. It might seem like a good deal, but it's possible the device is already corrupted. Be wary of using your credentials if an external device you do not recognize is attached to a computer you are logging into. Call the help desk to submit a work order. The network security team will be notified and begin investigating.
How can I tell if the device has a virus or malware?
Well, unfortunately, you can't always tell if the device is infected. If there is an external device that looks like one you have lost, then just don't put it in your computer. Turn it into your TSS or call the help desk for assistance. Don't panic, always report it. It's better to be safe than sorry. You can help prevent issues from growing into something awful when you report it.
So let me get this straight. So if I find an external device, don't put it in the computer. And if I have a concern about security, I should call the help desk. And it's safer to use Google Drive than an external device for file storage.